So I just stumbled upon this RAG Anything framework, and it's fascinating how it manages multimodal content.
Right? The idea of having a single system to process text, images, and even tables all in one go is pretty revolutionary.
Exactly, I mean, think about how cumbersome it is to juggle multiple tools for different content types. This really streamlines everything.
Absolutely, and they mentioned something about a VLM Enhanced Query mode. That sounds intriguing.
Wait, what does VLM actually stand for? I wonder how it enhances the querying process.
VLM stands for Visual Language Model. It integrates visual context into the retrieval process, creating richer insights.
That's unexpected. So if you have an image in your document, it can actually analyze and relate it to the text.
Exactly. It's like having a conversation where both visual and textual elements inform the discussion.
That makes so much sense. But doesn't that assume you have high-quality images and relevant visual data?
Good point. The effectiveness will hinge on the quality of the images provided and their relevance to the text.
And what about the algorithm behind it? I saw something about a multi-stage multimodal pipeline.
Yes, it intelligently segments different document elements to maintain context. That's crucial for accuracy.
So it doesn't just throw everything together, it actually understands how to parse and preserve meaning.
Exactly. It keeps the relationships intact, which is vital for complex documents like academic papers.
That's really fascinating. I can see this being a huge time saver for researchers.
Totally. It supports various formats, which means users won't have to convert files constantly.
Speaking of formats, I noticed it includes support for Office documents and images. That's a big boost.
For sure, it allows seamless processing across different file types, making it versatile.
But I'm curious, how does the system handle different types of content like equations?
Great question. It has specialized analyzers for equations and structured data, ensuring precise interpretation.
So it's not just about processing, but also understanding the context of that content.
Exactly. It establishes semantic relationships, which adds another layer of depth to the retrieval process.
That's pretty advanced, but do you think there could be limitations with such a system?
Definitely. The system's accuracy will depend largely on the input quality and the complexity of the content.
And what about the learning curve? Do you think users will struggle to adapt to this?
Possibly. If it's too complicated to navigate, users might feel overwhelmed despite its potential.
Yeah, and if they can't easily integrate it into their current workflows, that could be a barrier.
Exactly. They need to ensure it's user-friendly or it might not gain traction.
I guess that's always a challenge with innovative tech, balancing complexity and usability.
For sure, but imagine the potential applications. Academic research, financial reports, even creative projects.
That's a great point. The versatility could really change how we handle multimodal content across fields.
And let's not forget about the community aspect. Open source projects often thrive on user feedback.
Yeah, collaboration can lead to improvements and new features based on user needs.
Exactly. It's like co-creating the future of multimodal AI, and that's exciting.
I love that. So if you could suggest one thing for RAG Anything to improve upon, what would it be?
I'd say enhancing the documentation and examples could really help new users get up to speed.
That smart, clear guides can make a huge difference in adoption.
For sure, it's all about making technology accessible right.
Absolutely, I'm excited to see where RAG Anything goes from here.
Same here. With its potential, it could really transform how we interact with documents.
I can't wait to see more advancements in the field of multimodal processing.
Definitely, it's a thrilling time for AI and document processing.
And who knows, maybe we'll be using it in our own projects soon.
That would be amazing. Let's keep an eye on its developments.
For sure, it's conversations like this that spark new ideas.
Right, and it's exciting to think of all the possibilities ahead.
Okay, I'm officially intrigued. We should explore RAG Anything further.
Absolutely. Let's dive deeper and see what else it has to offer.
I'm in, this could be the start of something big.
Definitely. Here, as to the future of multimodal AI.